Ali jogged 3/5 of the journey from his house to the stadium at a speed of 15 km per hour for 2 hours. It means that in 1 hour, he could jog 15 km. So in 2 hours, how long can he jog? 2 times 15 will give us 30, right? Okay. So from here, you already found out 15 multiplied by 2 give you 30. So the distance from his house to the stadium will be 30 km. Why do I want to do this, right? Remember in all my previous video, I always say, do not just throw yourself to the end question right away. Try to get as much information from here first before you even attempt. If not, you'll be very confused. Now, then they told us that Ali took 5 hours to complete the whole journey. Can you draw a model for this? We can, right? For parents who are going to watch all my videos, right, to learn how to draw the models and to teach your children, good for y'all. I'm going to teach you how to draw the model right now. So, he jogged 3/5 of the journey, which means how many units do we need to draw? We need to draw 5, right? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for parents who are watching this, right, ensure that the model you are drawing or the models that you're going to teach your kids to draw, try to be as exact as possible. Okay, don't have like 4 small ones, then 1 big one, then say that it's 5 units. No, it's not. Okay, so from here to here, he jogged 3/5 of the journey from his house to the stadium at the speed of blah 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 and blah 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 blah. Which means that from here to here, it is 30 km. Because we found out that 15 km per hour jog for 2 hours, it is 30 km. So here is 30 km. Then asking for what is the average speed. If you can remember the formula that I gave you last time, average speed is what? Okay, if you are all at my class right now, I'll make you all tell me the formula. Okay, average speed will be total distance divided by total time. Okay, so over here they said that let's find the total distance. If 3 units is 30 km, how about 1 unit? 3 units will be 30 km. 1 unit will be 30 divided by 3. Makes sense, right? And there will be 10. So total 5 units. So 5 units will be 5 times 10, giving us 50. So what? The total distance? The total distance will be 50 km. How about total time? They said that it took 5 hours to complete the whole journey, right? So the total time will be 5 hours. Okay, so 50 divided by 5, that will give us 10 km per hour. That is the answer. Here, number 2. This is the average speed. There are some students, they go and find the speed over here, and then they go find the speed over here, and they add the 2 speed together and divide by 2. Wrong. Please do not do such things. This is the only formula for average speed. Average speed doesn't mean add all the speed up and divide by the number of sets. Average speed will only be total distance of the entire journey divided by total time taken for the entire journey. Okay? Don't forget, draw the model. It will serve you well. Done.